Good morning, children. This is Chavilsa speaking. In the previous video, we had discussion on fraction and decimals, their relations, how fractions are related to rational numbers and all, additions and subtractions of fractions. Today, in this particular video, we are going to talk about, discuss about fractions and their in terms of arithmetic, in which we'll be having a discussion on a few questions related to arithmetic based on fractions concept. So here in this particular question number 5, there are two adjoint figure. One is triangle, another one is rectangle. Both are adjoint figure, and we have to find their perimeters, and we have to compare which figure has got larger perimeter, whether the triangle or this rectangle. So triangle has got the measures are 5 by 2 centimeter. One side measures 5 by 2 centimeter. One side is 5 by 2 centimeter. One side is 3 by 5 centimeter. Other side is 3 by 4 centimeter. This is a triangle. So for this triangle, we have to find the perimeter, as well as we have got a rectangle over here. So in this rectangle's perimeter is also needs to be found. Here this measure of this breadth is 7 by 6 centimeters. So naturally this side will also be 7 by 6 centimeter. This side's measure 3 by 4 centimeter. So this side will be 3 by 4 centimeter. Now we are going to compare their perimeters. So first, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Let us add them. 3 5 is a 15, 18 by 5, 11 by 4. 3 5 is a 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 by 5 plus 4 2s are 8, 3 8s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Now let us go for the LCM of 2, 5 and 4. LCM of 2, 5 and 4. 2 1s are 2, 5 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So I'll write 20 over here. 20 by 2 is 10. 5 10s are 50. 20 by 2 is 10. 5 10s are 50. 5 4s are 20. 4 18s are 72. 20 by 4 is 5. 5 11s are 55. So here is 50, 72, 55 by 20. So let us add them. This is 50. 50 plus 55 is 105. 105 plus 72. 177 by 20. So it's better if you make it into mixed fractional form. 177. 8 20s are 160. 8 20s are 160. 9 20s are 180. It's bigger than 177. So I'll get 7 here. 8 17 by 20. This is the perimeter of this triangle. This is the perimeter of this triangle. Now I'll find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. We know the formula. 2 into length plus breadth. Acha. 2 into, what is the length? Length measures 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Breadth measures 7 by 6. So I'm better if I write in next page. Length is 2 into length plus breadth. Acha. 2 into, what is the length, children? Length measures 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And breadth measures 7 by 6. Okay, no problem. 2 into 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Acha. 2 into. According to the bottommost, we have to deal with the bracket first. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now 12 by 4 is 3. 3 11s are 33. Plus 12 by 6 is 2. 7 2s are 14. Now 2 into 33 plus 14 is 47 by 12. 47 by 12. Now 2 and 12 can be cancelled. 6 2s are 12. I got 47 by 6. So let us convert it into mixed fractional form. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. It's bigger. 6 7s are 42. 5 7 5 by 6. It's 7 5 by 6 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 7 5 by 6 centimeter, and perimeter of triangle was 8 17 by 20. 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter was the perimeter of, this is the perimeter of triangle, and 7 5 by 6 is the perimeter of rectangle. So children, it's pretty understandable that perimeter of rectangle is smaller than the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is larger. 8 17 by 20 centimeter is the perimeter of triangle, and 7 5 by 6 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. So now, apart from all this, we have a question that is Sally wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, alright. So here the question is, there is one picture like in a frame. We have to put a picture in a frame. So the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. The picture itself is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide, and it's very, if I draw the figure for you, there is one picture. This is the picture and this is the frame. Achha. Picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter, 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide, and this one, the frame is 7 5 by, it's 7 3 by 10, 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Children, it's really very important to understand. The width of the picture is larger than width of the frame. In a frame, I have to put a picture. Width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter, and width of the frame is 7 3 by 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter. So it is understandable, seeing these fractions, it's quite understandable that the width of the picture is larger or wider than the width of the frame. So obviously it's pretty understandable that this picture will not be fitted into this frame. So in order to make it fit into the frame, we have to trim the picture. So how much to be trimmed, that is what we have to find from this particular question. So how much to be trimmed, that we will find out. So obviously by seeing this, it's understandable that if I subtract 7 3 by 10 from 7 3 by 5 centimeter, that much only needs to be trimmed from the picture. If the width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter, that never going to be fitted into 7 3 by 10 centimeter. So how much 7 3 by 5 centimeter is larger then 7 3 by 10 centimeter, that is to be found. And if I need to find this, I have to subtract 7 3 by 5 from 7 3 by 10. Let us check out. The width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. The width of the frame is equal to 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Achha. Therefore, the picture needs to be trimmed is equal to 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Achha. 7 3 by 5 means 38 by 5 minus 7 tens is 70 plus 73. 73 by 10. Now 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 into 38 is 76. 10 by 10 is 1. 1 into 73 is 73. 76 minus 73 is 3. 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 centimeter needs to be trimmed. Children, I am repeating my word once again. If suppose I have a box, the box length is 10 centimeter, and if I want to make a stick whose length is 12 centimeter, will it be fitted? Of course not. The length of 12 centimeter stick cannot be fitted into a box length, the length of the box which is 10 centimeter. That cannot be fitted. If I keep in a exactly in vertical positions, that cannot be fitted into that. So in that case, something to be trimmed, some amount to be trimmed. So how much to be trimmed? If I want to find, in order to find that particular value, I have to subtract. The length of the stick minus length of the box. 12 minus 10 equal to 2 centimeter, like that. So in this case, we have got a picture. The width of that picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter, and frame itself is 7 3 by 10 centimeter. 7 3 by 5 is larger than 7 3 by 10. So obviously something to be trimmed, some length or some weight to be trimmed. How much to be trimmed? That we have to find by subtracting 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. So once we subtract, the values are in mixed fraction, we'll convert into fraction, improper fraction. So after converting into improper fraction, we got 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 centimeter needs to be trimmed. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. I believe that you will be trying out all these things. These questions are to be tried out, and similar questions we will be doing from the exercise. And your practice work should be submitted. I received only few practice works yesterday. I believe that you are going to try out this and you will be submitting to me in my personal WhatsApp. If there are any problems and confusions, kindly raise your questions in Google Classroom or in my personal WhatsApp. I'll be trying to address you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, children.